Today we are going to discuss the rules and regulations of voice change of interrogative sentence. You see, voice change of interrogative sentence. Okay, now we have changed already of assertive sentence, voice change of imperative sentence, and difference. But there are three kinds of sentences only: assertive, imperative, and interrogative. Today we are going to discuss interrogative sentences. Okay, this very online class has been arranged by the Bodoland Incong Television, and you see, I have been invited here to discuss the English section, okay, prose, poetry, grammar, etc. Now see, what is written here in Bodo, voice interrogative sentence ni voice ni belayau, beha lidgiriya ma bungding, beko angै एसे फरायनानै खोनासंहोनि बर'आव बे लेखाया मिन्टु नार्जारिनि एक्टिव भइसआ इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसआव थायोब्ला बेखौ एसार्टिव खालामथ'ना लाग्रोनांगौ। एक्टिव भइसआ इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसआव थायोब्ला बेखौ एसार्टिव सेंटेंसआव सोलायनानै लाग्रोथ'नांगौ। बेनि उनाव बेखौ पेसिव खालामना लानांगौ। पेसिव खालामखांनायनि उनाव ऑक्सिलियारी भार्बखौ सब्जेक्टनि सिगाङाव लाबोब्लानो होखानाय इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसनि पेसिव भइस जागोन। नाय बेफोरो एसे बेले-बेजे खोथा फरायनायाव एसे बुजिनो दान्थे जायो। आं बुंनायावबो नोंसोरा एसे दान्थे जागोन। दा जेब्ला प्रेक्टिकेलाव थांगोन अब्ला बे गोरलै जागोन आरो मोनसे खोथा मा बे जे माबायाव सोलायग्रोनानै लानांगौ होनदों एसार्टिव सेंटेंसआव सोलायनानै लाग्रोनांगौ होनदों बेखौ जोङो आनजादनि बहियाव लिरनो नाङा। आनजादनि बहियाव बिदि लिरग्रोलायनानै लायोब्ला बे एसे जाम्बानि परिचय जागोन। थोना बेखौ आनजादनि बहियाव बिदिखौ खालामग्रोनो थोना। नों प्रेक्टिस खालामबाय थाबानो नों सानसे समाव बे एक्सपार्ट जागोन आरो दे। लेट्स स्टार्ट दे एक्टिव भइसनि मोनसे सेंटेंस लाबाय। आर you writing a letter interrogative sentence. ना नेरेशनावबो जों मोनो आरो भइसआवबो बे फैयो जे इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसआ जाथोनै इनवर्टेड क्वेश्चन आरो डब्लिउएस क्वेश्चन इनवर्टेड क्वेश्चन आरो डब्लिउएस क्वेश्चन ते नेरेशननि बेलायावथ' एखेबारे बेखौ रोखा मिथिनांगौ बा एप्लाइ खालामनांगौ। नाथाय भइस सेन्सनि बेलायाव एसेबां बिदिखौ खालामलायाबाबो जायो। ते बियो ओरैबादि जायो दा नायदो आर इउ राइटिं ए लेटार जोंना आगोलैहाय खोन्थायाखै एक्सारसाइसआव जे जोङो डब्लिउएस क्वेश्चनखौ लागोन बा इनवर्टेड क्वेश्चनखौ लाग्रोगोन। इनवर्टेड क्वेश्चनखौ माखौ होनो जायफोर इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसआ ऑक्सिलियारी भार्ब्स बा भार्बजों जुरियो बेनो इनवर्टेड क्वेश्चन आरो जायफोर इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसआ डब्लिउएस क्वेश्चन वर्डजों व्हाट व्हेयर व्हेन व्हाई हाउ हु एफोरबादिजों जुरिनायखौ मा होनो डब्लिउएस क्वेश्चन होननानै बुङो। जों इहा लाग्रोबाय लेखायावनो दंखायो इ आगोलाव जे मोनसे इनभार्टेड कुइसन अक्सिलारि भार्ब एबा भार्बजों जुरिजेननाय बे भार्ब आरो इबो भार्ब ए साबजेक्ट बेखौ मा होनगोन जोङो बी भार्ब जोङो बी भार्ब होननो हायो टू बी भार्ब बी भार्ब बी भार्ब आरो बे प्रिन्सिपल भार्ब आईएनजी फर्माव आईएनजी फर्म आरो ए लेटर ऑब्जेक्ट तो बे सेन्टेन्सखौ बेहाय जोंनो लेखायाव बाथायनाय बादि खालामनो थाङोब्ला बेखौ जों एसार्टिभआव लांग्रोनांगौ एसार्टिभआव लांग्रोयोबा नैबे इउ साबजेक्टखौ आगोलाव लाबबाय इनिफ्राय बेखौ नैबेखिनियाव फज'बानो जाबाय इउ आर राइटिं ए letter you are writing a letter you see here oh sorry it is not question mark here should be what full stop because it is assertive sentence this very integrated sentence has been turned to what assertive to an assertive sentence okay to an assertive sentence. Now you see, be assertive जाबाय ना assertive. दाना बे assertive sentence को जोङो मा passive voice आव सोलायनो थांसै बे subject बे verb आरो बियो object. दानिया बेखौ जोङो बे एक्टिभ भइस मोनबायना बेखौ पेसिभ भइसआव सोलायनांगौ पेसिभ भइसआव मा जागोन ए लेटार बे साबजेक्टआ अबजेक्टआ साबजेक्टआव फैगोन ए लेटार बे प्रेजेंट कन्टिन्युअस टेंस ए लेटर थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नम्बर गतिके बी भार्बआ मा जागोन इज जागोन इज जोंथ' कन्टिन्युअस टेंसखौ खालायबोखाबायना बेखायनो गोरा जानो नाङा ए लेटर इज दाना कन्टिन्युअस टेंसआव मा पेसिभ भइसआव मा लिरनांगौ बी भार्बआ मोनसे बी भार्ब दङ बेबो बी भार्ब मोननै बी भार्ब ए लेटर इज बिं पेसिभ भइसआव कन्टिन्युअस टेंसआव मोननै बी भार्ब जायो A letter is being. Tara main verb past participle. A letter is being written by you. 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 बेयो पेसिभ भइस जाबाय दाथ' जोंनो होनाय दङ इंट्रोगेटिव सेन्टेन्स we are given interrogative sentence so our task to be that means the passive voice the sentence of passive voice must be an interrogative sentence an interrogative sentence result must be interrogative. So it should be turned to interrogative. Okay. Now how to see here. You see here. Passive voice. Turn this assertive sentence into interrogative. Turn this assertive sentence of passive voice in an interrogative. Now you see here is the auxiliary verb is. Now let us say this auxiliary verb or be verb. We can change this sentence from assertive to interrogative by bringing this in front of the sentence is. It is the rule. In case of special verbs or anomalous finites, we should bring this first. We should put this, we must put this first. Is. Then it is subject, you write this here. Is a letter, now this as it is a letter being written, is a letter being written by you, put sign of interrogation. Is a letter being written by you, is a letter being written by you, your suggested, or it is hoped, or it is said that if we follow this, if we do in this way, then the possibility of wrongness or incorrect is less or will be less. Okay, it is the matter. But in the examination, we should not write this. We should not write this. We should write this directly. Okay. Are you writing a letter? Is a letter being written by you? Is a letter being written by you? Okay. Here are, but here is. Because here you what? Second person as subject. Here a letter as subject. The third person singular number as subject. Mind it. Okay. It happens thus. Beबादि जायो आरो दे दा आं खनसे बुंबावनोसै जे माबायाव इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस ने जाथों बा मायानो जाथों एसार्टिवआनो जाथों बे जुदि कन्टिन्युअस टेंसब्ला अब्ला बी भार्बा मोननै जायो नैबे मोनसे बे मोनसे किन्तु नैबेहाय पेसिव भइसआव आरो पेसिव भइसआव बे मोनसे आरो बे प्रिन्सिपल भार्ब इज बीइं रिटेन दास सेकेंड रूल मथे फैनाय बी भार्बा अबे इज ना बीइं सेकेंड रूल मथे फैनाय बी भार्बा अबे इज ना बीइं अबेखौ होननो इसको होननोसै जों ना इसको होननोसै बीइंखौ होनला इसको होननोसै दैहाय इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसआव इज फैबाय इज अ लेटर बीइं रिटन बाय यू बे दा कन्टिन्युअस टेंसनि बेलायाव बीइं इज ए मास्ट इन पैसिव वॉइस बीइंखौ नांथारगोन ओके Letters over this sentence. You see now. Does she teach you? Does she teach you regularly? Does she teach you regularly? Here, does auxiliary verb. Okay, do verb. She, for interrogative sentence, it is. And it is subject, it is principal verb. Then you, it is subject. Regularly, it is adverb of manner. Okay. Now later, change the sentence from active to passive. Can I do directly? Can we do? Yes. If we go to change directly without changing this firstly in assertive, if we go directly, then we should mind the person and number of the object, because from this one, from object, it will come to subject. But before this subject, there will be the be verb, an appropriate form of be verb. Not does. Here, different. Now, use second person. Does this is present indefinite tense. So, here you see it will be are. Be verb will be are. Are you object to, here subject. Are you, now the main verb in past participle. Are you taught? Are you taught? Are you taught? Are you taught by her regularly this? Are you taught by her regularly? If you feel that there will be something mistake, if we go directly, then better it is to turn this sentence into interrogative sentence into assertive sentence. Then it's a passive voice. Then the sentence of passive voice of assertive sentence, we should turn back this into interrogative. We should transfer the sentence, okay, from interrogative, assertive to interrogative. Let us see. Let us see. Say, will he sing a song? Interrogative sentence. Will he sing a song? Oh, here I have dropped. Will he sing a song? Okay, here will auxiliary verb. He subject, sing principal verb. A song object. It is interrogative sentence. Sorry, what tenses in future tense? In case of future tense, it is easier one. See, it will come here now. First, you consider this. A song, it is third person singular number. So, not shall, it will be will. Will. Okay, here also will. Will, then you write this. Bring this object to subject. Will a song. Now, be verb is be form, because here is auxiliary verb will. So, be verb will be infinitive. Will a song be, now the main verb in past participle. Now, will a song be sung by him? Will a song be sung by him? Will a song be sung by him? Okay, this. Do you find any difficulty? Have you found any difficulty? Yes, it may be difficult for someone. Okay, but if you practice this frequently and attentively, seriously, then there will not be mistake, there will not happen any mistake. Okay, let us see. Let us see. Can you do it? Can you do it? Can you do it? Can, auxiliary verb, one of the special verb. Okay, you subject, do, it is principal verb, eat, it is object. Now turn this into assertive. Okay, assertive. Assertive. What will be this? You write this first. You, then can. Mutual sense of this, mutual sense of the places of the two, auxiliary verb and subject. You can, now write this, do it. You can do it. You can do it. Then turn this sentence into what? It is assertive, no? Assertive. Now turn this sentence into passive voice in assertive. Passive voice in assertive. It. It. Now the auxiliary verb. In case of can, may, must, no change. After subject, here also after subject. It can. Now be verbs, be form. It can be done. The main verb in past participle. It can be done by you. It can be done by you. Okay, this. Now turn this sentence. Turn this very sentence into interrogative. Here you see it is one of the auxiliary verb. This sentence contains an auxiliary verb, or it is made of an auxiliary verb, made within auxiliary verb. So this auxiliary verb will come first. Can, now this, write you this. Okay, mutual change of place. This and this. Okay. Can it, now be verbs, be form. Can it be done? Can it be done by you? This. Can it be done by you? Now it is confirmed. We can be confirmed and we can be certain that it is 100% correct. Okay, if we follow this. Yes, in your examination paper also you can write this, but keep within bracket. Keep within bracket. Better one is not to write. Better one is not to write. Okay, now see. Did you see the thief? 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 Did, it is auxiliary verb. You, subject. See, principal verb. Okay, the thief, object. Now you see here, the auxiliary verb is in past tense, past indefinite tense. Let us try this sentence. Let us try to change this sentence into passive directly. Okay, directly. See, you bring this here. No. Will you keep this here? Yes. Did the thief seen by you? 100% incorrect. Wrong. Did the thief seen by you? It is 100% wrong. Yes. Then what should he do? What will be the beginner first word of this very interrogative sentence in passive voice? Sometimes it becomes confusing. Okay, so let us change this firstly into assertive sentence. Okay, assertive sentence. You see, you see the thief. You, now see, did see mean past indefinite tense, so she will be saw. You saw the thief. You saw the thief. You saw the thief. Okay, you saw the thief. Oh, sorry, this is full stop only. You saw the thief. Active voice. Now turn into passive. Subject, verb, object. What is the tense of the verb? Past indefinite. Let us apply the three rules. Bring this first. The thief. Now be verb. Second rule, be verb. Considering the person and number of the subject of passive voice. It is third person singular number and the main verb is in past tense. So be verb will be was. The thief was the main verb now in past participle. The thief was seen by you. The thief was seen by you. The thief was seen by you. Now turn this very sentence of passive voice in interrogative. This assertive sentence should be changed to interrogative again. Now here the thief subject was seen verb by you, object or agent. Okay, then which will come first? Because it is interrogative now, so you bring this auxiliary verb. Was, now this subject. Was the thief principal verb. Was the thief seen by you? Was the thief seen by you? Was the thief seen by you? Okay, this was the thief seen by you. This system. This system. Now another type. Okay, interrogative sentence WH question word jeng माने question word jeng jadi curiobla जागाय जेननाय जायो अब्ला passive voice ni sentence ni गिबियावनो बे क्वेश्चन वार्डखौ फज'नाय जायो हुआ पेसिभ भइसआव बायहुं जायो जेरै जोङो हुखौनो लिरग्रोदिनि दे बेहाय हुखौ लिरबाय नांथ'आ हुखौ नांथ'आ दस्राखौ लिरग्रोनि हुनि बेलायाव बायहुं जायो आरो बेखौ जों उनाव सावरायगोन नैबेखौ खालामनि How did you write? How did you write it? How did you write it? How did you write it? Okay. Let me clean the duster. Okay. Let me clean the duster first. Wait a bit. Okay. Now it is over. How did you write it? In case of passive voice, how it is question word, the mind is then it is auxiliary verb, then it is subject, then it is principal verb, then it is what? Object. We can change the sentence into passive directly and very easily. You see, you write this first question word in passive voice also. How? Then apply the three rules. It will come here now, but you mind. After the question word, there will be auxiliary verb. How? It is past tense now, so it is third person singular number, so be verb will be was. In case of inverted W questions, firstly question word, then the auxiliary verbs or be verbs. How was now bring this object to subject? How was it? How was it? How was it done? Now the main verb in past participle. How was it done? How was it done by you? This. How was it done by you? How was it done by you? Active voice. How was it done by you? Okay. Now, another sentence. Oh, here, right now, it should be so written. Excuse me, written. Now, another. Why did you punish the boy? 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 This question word, okay? This auxiliary verb, this subject, this principal verb, this object. We should write this first. because it is question word. Why? Now the be verb. Why? Because it is past indefinite tense, so be verb. Why? And here the boy, third person singular number, so was. Why was? Now bring this here. Why was the boy? Why was the boy? Now the main verb, in past participle. Why was the boy punished? Now this subject to object, by you, this. Why was the boy punished by you? Why was the boy punished by you? Okay. Any problem? Please practice at home. A lot of practice can help you. A lot of practice. Now see another one. What? What causes an archaic what causes an archaic? What causes an archaic? You see here, what it is question word. Question word. Causes, it is principal verb. Principal verb. Causes, present definite tense. And archaic, it is subject. Now you see, you cannot change the sentence into assertive easily. Okay. We cannot change the sentence into assertive easily. So write directly in passive voice. So what question word, it will be in the front position. What? Now it is present definite tense. And archaic, it is third person singular number. So be verb will be is. What is? What is caused? What is caused? And archaic. Archaic. Now you see. Is there any mistake? What is caused and archaic? Let's see. Any mistake here? Yes, definitely. It is mistake. What is caused and archaic? The sense of this body sentence is not same to this. So there must be mistake. So how to do this? Not this one. Not this one. Mark this incorrect. Mark this incorrect. Correct one is what? This question word will be first and front position. And if we write this also, following the other previous examples, if we write this firstly, then it is also mistake. And that time, what? In this book, it is said that in case of who? By preposition is first. By whom? So, only for who? No, actually, not for who only. Here, even for what also. So, it is wrong. It is wrong. What should you write first? You see, by. By then only you write this question word. By what? By what? By what? Now this objective subject. By what is an archaic? By what? By what is an archaic cost? This is correct. By what is an archaic cost? It is correct. It is wrong. It is correct. Okay, it is correct. So let us proceed to another one. Let us proceed to another one. Active voice. When do you deliver? When do you deliver the mail? 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 When, it is question word. Okay. Do auxiliary verb. You subject. Deliver principal verb. The mail object. So it will be subject here and passive voice. Then how to change this? It will remain in the front position when here do auxiliary verb in present definite tense. So here you see it is subject, third person singular number. So be verb of the first example. Okay, like this first example. When is the mail? When is the mail? When is the mail delivered? When is the mail delivered? When is the mail delivered? By you. This. Correct. This is correct. When is the mail delivered by you? This. Now, who? Okay. Who? I am trying to cut short. Please excuse me. Who? Who helps? Who helps you? Who helps you? It is subjective question word. As not only question word but subjective question word. S Q W. Then it is verb. It is what? Object. Yes. Now what will be this? In case of who, it is said that by preposition first, then who will turn to objective form. By whom? The tense is in present indefinite tense. By whom? But it is object is second person. By whom? So be verb, here be verb. By whom are? Now you write this. By whom are you? By whom are you? Now the main verb in past participle. By whom are you helped? By whom are you helped? Okay. Okay. Now whom only first. Whom did you meet? Did you meet? Whom did you meet? Here you see. By first. By whom? Past indefinite tense and you second person. So where? Be part will be where. By whom, where you met. By whom, where you met. This. Okay. One more sentence. Last sentence. Okay. Last sentence. Let us do this. Last. Whom did they give the key? Whom did they give the key? Whom? Subjective question word. Subjective question word. This auxiliary verb. This subject. This principal verb. This object. Okay. Now you see. Whom. By whom. By whom did give past indefinite tense. The key third person singular number. Third person singular number. By whom was the key. By whom was the key given the main verb in past participle. By whom was the key given them. By whom was the key. By whom was given the key. By whom was the key given them. Or another one. Or. Right. Or. Okay. Who was given the key. Who was given the key. Who was given the key. Who was given the key by them. Who was given the key. Who was given the key by them. Difficult one. Okay. Let us stop here today. Time is over. Okay, we shall meet again tomorrow if God gave us nicely, pleasantly. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.